Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. On today's recipe, I'm making okro soup, and as you can see, I'm transferring my meat into my saucepan. Okay. So from here, I'm coming to add my onions, my chopped onions, my salt, then my seasoning. Then I'm going to set it on fire. Okay guys, as you can see, my meat is already on fire, and I've also added my tomatoes, my pepper, then onions to it. So here I'm going to allow them to cook. Okay guys, so here I'm coming to remove my ingredients, then add it to my ginger and garlic, then blend them together. Okay. Okay guys, so here we are coming to add our blended ingredients, and because we've already cooked our okro, you have to let the soup cook well before you add your okro. Allow the soup to cook very well before you add your okro. So let me stir it a bit. Okay guys, so this is our fish. I seasoned it with a little bit of salt, then some seasonings. So I'm going to add it to our soup. Okay guys, so this is our okro, and I've added a little bit of garden eggs, then onions to it. So I'm going to add this one to soften our okro. In our language, we'll call it kill. It allows the okro to become somehow soft. Okay, so here I'm going to stir it a bit and allow it to cook. Guys, so here you can see that our okro is okay, so I'm going to add it to our soup. Okay guys, now you can see that our soup is ready. So I'm going to add my okro. After adding it, I'll allow it to cook maybe 2 to 5 minutes. Then our okra soup is ready. Just allow it to cook for about maybe 2 to 5 minutes. Then your okra soup is ready. Look at the way it's looking, so yummy. Also, don't forget to try the recipe at home. You will love it. Okay.